Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this nice Jayco J-Flight 145RB. It's a super cool little unit. It's pre-owned. It's a 2015. The nice thing about it is so lightweight. If you've got a smaller truck or smaller vehicle, you can easily tow it. It weighs, dry weight's 2,400 pounds on this rascal. Let's go take a quick peek inside. So when you first enter, you got a nice, for a small trailer, there's a ton of storage in there. You can fit a lot of gear, a lot of stuff in there, and those shelves are adjustable. You got a nice bathroom in there with a tub and a shower, toilet. This also has a nice seating area. That table is movable, so you can pull it to the side and make your bed over there in the corner. But if you had a couple guys and you're out hunting, this would be a great little vehicle to come get warmed up and eat. And you could practically take it anywhere because it's so lightweight. It's got a small little fridge, nice little 2-burner cooktop, microwave, sink. Got all the necessities covered, and it even has a nice air conditioner for a hot summer day. So it's really a cool little unit. Maybe a logger special, hunter special, beginner special. But if you have any questions about this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call. I'll be happy to help you. 951-443-8323. Thanks.